So, good day po, professor and classmates. Today I'm going to be demoing the installation and how to create the project with the Laravel PHP framework. So, firstly, open the browser and type in Laravel. You can usually see that Laravel on the top search result when you search it in Google, but in this case, I already have it in my history. So as you can see on this Laravel page, so wait, if I go back, the thing about Laravel is this is not your typical download the exe file and install. So if you browse this website thoroughly, you'll never find an installation file here. So it's always gonna be in the documentation side of things. And the second thing you need is uh, this this app called Composer. So what this Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. So let's click download and download Composer setup. So we wait for that to download. Should be fairly quick. Okay, let's open this. Install for all users. And um nope, you do not need developer mode for this. And this is the you also need something like called Xampp. So for me, I have Xampp already installed on my computer, so it is really easy for me. But in case that you do want to install Xampp, you just go to here, Google it, and click this. And usually you will find it already here, Xampp for Windows. Just click that, and it will automatically install. But since I have the latest version, I will cancel that. So just to be sure, we need to browse the C folder of where Xampp is located. Where is it? X. Xampp. Ay, saan ba to? Program files. Here. Okay, Xampp. So browse to Xampp PHP, and yes, okay, it's the right directory, php.exe. So you need to click the exe file of the PHP so to make sure it really works. So after you're sure to check that, and we click next. Okay, add this to your path. Uh-huh. So we don't need to fill this up. We just click next and install. So it's installing the script. Okay, next. And once it's done, it should show this and click finish. To see that it is working, we need to open CMD, and we need to write composer. Yes. Okay, so it is a success. We installed Composer. So usually what you do next here is navigate to a folder where you need to install your uh, to create your project. You'll need to go to C drive again. Go to Xampp again and I'd like to put it here in HD docs. And what you need to do here is copy this path. So let's type cd for change directory and paste the path there and enter. And once you choose your folder, we're gonna create a write a command that creates the project. So we need to type composer create dash project. Type in Laravel slash Laravel slash Laravel. I'm naming it CMS, but this is not important. It will just name a folder called CMS. So okay. Okay, so we hyphen prefer hyphen this. So huh. Okay, I think that's right. I'm double checking my syntax. So when I hit enter, it should create. Oh, so huh? Bakit ganito? For create project stability source. Create project Laravel CMS and let me try this. Okay, so it works. We need to patiently wait for this to finish. So I think it needs to do it needs to download a few more before we continue. I think this is I'm not sure if this is done, so let me check if it is now. CMS. I think it is still creating. Oh, okay. I put it here in the CMS folder. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So all of this, the folders here and some config file, text files, JSON. This is essentially your Laravel installation. So it includes all the necessary components that you need for Laravel to work. So in order to check if this is working, we need to copy the directory again for this Laravel folder, and I think it. Uh-huh. I think we need to go CLS again. I think we need to restart. CMD. So type to change directory and CMS. We need to write PHP artisan serve. Aha. Bakit may error to? Uh, I think I need to run Xampp just in case. Okay. Let's see if it works again. Ay, ba't ganito? Uh-huh. Right, I'm gonna cut this part out. So I made a mistake earlier when installing the PHP folder. We need to create a project again. Change directory. cd docs. We're gonna create again a project. Create project Laravel dash Laravel. This time we're gonna name it CMS2 folder instead of CMS1. I mean, we already used that. That is the broken one. So I'm gonna use CMS2. So we'll just hit enter again, and we'll wait it for to create a project. Okay. Oh, yay. Laravel slash Laravel. htdocs. Why? Prefer dist. Need to cut this out again. Okay, I'm gonna try to create the folder again for the Laravel, and I should CMS1 composer project Laravel slash Laravel CMS. Okay. Let's hit enter. So my mistake here is that when it came to the generating part of the installation, I assumed that it was finished, but unfortunately it wasn't. So I closed it too early. So let's wait this to finish. Okay, so this is a part where I messed up. So it's generating optimized autoload files. So it's clearly doing something that I shouldn't be able to touch yet. So it's taking a little bit longer than usual, so we need to wait further. Anti-malware. Okay, so here it is. That took a very long time. So this is what it's supposed to be done. The last bit of this notification. So I screwed up at this part. Okay, so let's. So now when we go here and all of the all of the necessary components are installed, we now need to copy this directory. And so if we clear screen that, change directory, and go to the CMS folder. Oops, I'm already at the CMS. I forgot to input the change directory. Okay, once we are at uh, right, so usually what you do here is right, type PHP. If we go back to the folder, usually there is a file here that says serve. Artisan with PHP on it. So, so we just type PSP artisan serve. Okay, as you can see here, we have now opened a web port. So it is this 127.0.0.1. So we're gonna use that and open the browser to see if the project is working. Wait, 127. So when we open this, and there you go. This is what the project should look like. So it's up to the developer here to implement the various apps that popular apps that you use today. So it depends on the developer how far he or she will program this. So it is clearly working, and as you can see, it logged my actions when I opened the port. When I access the website, I mean. So I think that uh, if you want to view your codes at VS Code, you can definitely do that. So when we go to here to let's open wait, I have a better idea. Let's open this folder and drag this here to be able to view the contents of the program. So as you can see on the left side here, you have all the necessary components that you need, like this console, exceptions, HTTP, model providers, and something like this, like Bootstrap. So you can view that code here. So it's really a one big package that it is up to the developer to use this project to the best of its ability. So I think that is much it. I am not familiar yet with the PHP language, but I hear it is just as simple as HTML, CSS. Because it makes sense since this is a web framework that is used for developing web apps. So that is very much it. Thank you very much for watching, and good day.